My video tutorial is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups by the site kingadblocker.com. Kingadblocker.com is a dangerous site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. Kingadblocker.com basically tries to make you download and install some unwanted browser extensions. The pop-up promises that you will be able to block ads, but instead this extension actually functions as adware, so it may display its own advertisements instead of blocking ads. So there is nothing really positive in these pop-ups by kingadblocker.com. You need to disregard whatever they tell you and just leave this deceptive page. By the way, if any junk extensions were mistakenly installed to your Chrome, access the menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and remove any junk extensions if you find them. Also, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.